Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for one outdoors. Come on with me guys. Now this big sunflower I purchased at the Dollar Tree. It makes a perfect placemat. And this charger right here did come from Hobby Lobby. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, when you don't have a guest, it's freestyle. But when you have a guest, then they get to choose the color, style, or theme for that week. Now hosting Tablescape Tuesdays is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, and Amethyst Adventures. Now if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, I thought today would be a perfect time for me to set up a tablescape outside. But then suddenly this black cloud comes over the table. It starts to rain and thunder. I'm like, what is happening here? But we are going to set this tablescape and we're going to have a good time doing it. Now, with God on my side and a little prayer, we managed to stay rain-free. Now we lit the candle, we're gonna head on over to the reveal. So I am absolutely loving this sunflower tablescape. It looks beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.